Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare gluten-free khasta kachori. For this I have taken 1.5 bowl of gluten-free maida and half bowl of normal chapati flour. In this I will add a little bit of salt, half a teaspoon, and will crush some ajwain. I will pour around 7 to 8 teaspoon of ghee. After mixing these ingredients, I have a mixture like which this dough is like forming in this condition. I will knead the dough with lukewarm water. We will keep on kneading the dough for 4 to 5 minutes. I have kneaded a soft dough and I will keep it for resting, and meanwhile we will prepare the mixture for stuffing. We will switch on the gas and put 2 teaspoons of oil. As the oil heats up, we will put 1 teaspoon of jeera. As the jeera starts to splutter up, we will put 1 teaspoon of whole coriander and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, both crushed. In this we will add grated ginger and 2 green chilies which are small chopped. In this I will also add kasuri methi. And after adding all this, I will add 4 tablespoons of gram flour, that is besan. We will add some more oil as per requirement. And on low flame we will saute this. In this we will add black salt 1 teaspoon, normal salt 1 teaspoon, degi mirch 1 teaspoon. We will add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, haldi and dhania powder. We will add the amchur powder and chaat masala later. Now we will mix the moong dal which I soaked 2 hours earlier and strain out all the water and just give it a 2 or 3 churns, and it is very coarsely ground. Keep on roasting till it dries up and separates. I have taken half a cup of moong dal. it's around 8 to 10 minutes. I have done this on medium and low flame. I have added half a teaspoon of chaat masala and 1 teaspoon of amchur powder and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I will mix all the stuff. And after mix it properly, our filling will be ready to be filled in the kachori. Now the stuffing is ready and we will start making the kachoris. Now we will take our dough and make the balls. We will roll the dough and will squeeze from the corners and flatten it like this. And as the mixture is cooled down, we will make the ball of it and we will stuff this in between and seal the ball. We will make the dough balls ready. We will make a bowl type shape and we'll put the filling and close this. As these are gluten free, we have to be extra careful so that the filling doesn't come out. I have prepared these and kept the oil for heating. The oil is hot and we will press a little bit. Put it for frying. It's not too hot. I have done this on medium flame. Just press a little bit and don't touch too much while frying. Out of this stuff, I have made around 10 to 12 kachoris from 2.5 total cup of flour. We don't have to touch them much. We have to keep the other kachoris and the flour covered so that they doesn't rise up while frying. You can see the kachoris are looking a bit puffed up. When they puffed up, we can turn them up slowly. And I am doing this low to medium flame. We are not frying them on high flame, otherwise they will turn up brown very quickly as they are like little bit thick. So we have to fry them on medium to low flame. Our khasta kachoris are ready and you can see these are so crispy and you can see the filling. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the recipe, please share, like and subscribe.